President. Every corner of this region whispers tales of the past, echoing the footsteps of the people who have walked its streets and shaped its destiny. At this point, please make way for Regional Director Tolentino G. Aquino of DepEd Region 1 for his welcome remarks. A big round of applause, please.
Good evening, everyone, to Governor Jeremias Jerry Singson, Vice Governor Ryan Louis Singson, represented by the Honorable Victor Singson, the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the province of Ilocos Sur, our Provincial Administrator, Sir Marlon Tacorda, our DepEd officials, and special mention to our Assistant Regional Director, Ma'am Roda Razon, our host SDS, Superintendent Joel Lopez, and Assistant Superintendent Joy Madalipay, our guest keynote speaker, who will be formally introduced later, other guests, and to everyone, good evening. Ilocos Sur is the other half of Ilocos Norte, since the province of Ilocos was split into two in 1818. And since then, both provinces have made beautiful histories distinct from each other. Ilocos Sur is a home to two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, namely the Heritage City of Vigan and the Santa Maria Basilica. Vigan City, formerly known as Cabig-Bigaan, is the capital of Ilocos Sur. It has preserved significant public buildings reflecting rich multicultural influences tracing back to as early as the 16th century. Meanwhile, the Santa Maria Basilica, or the Church of Our Lady of the Assumption in the municipality of Santa Maria, was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site as part of the 4 Baroque churches of the Philippines, it being classified as earthquake Baroque. The province of Ilocos Sur consists of 32 municipalities and the cities of Vigan and Candon. Here in the province, you may find the Santorini-inspired villas of Vitalis Villas in Santiago, Ilocos Sur, Burayok and other falls of Suyok, Sabang Beach in Cabugao, and many more of this kind. While you are here, please never miss to taste bagnet, our vegan empanada and vegan longanisa, the rambutan and cacao harvest of Salcedo, tinubong, a rice delicacy from Magsingal, inartem, a variety of local fruits sold in Sukang Iloco. And of course, you have to try a ride at Calesa along Calle Crisologo. Ladies and gentlemen, the distinguished members of the Executive Committee of the Department of Education, headed by Secretary Juan Edgardo Sani M. Angara, the undersecretaries who are with us tonight, Yusek Peter Corbera, Yusek Gina Gonong, Yusek Filemon Javier, Yusek Meljan Versosa, Asek Silet Liboroco, Asek Georgina Yang, Asek Janir Datukan, Asek Dexter Galban, Asek Carmela Oracion, Asek Joyce Andaya, the Bureau and Service Directors, Regional Directors, Teacher, Trainer, Coaches, School Administrators, Schools Division Superintendents, parents and campus writers and talented students We welcome you all to these exciting experiences in the province of Ilocos Sur, in the Department of Education Region 1, in the Schools Division of Candon City, Vigan City, and Ilocos Sur. We welcome you all to the 2025 National Schools Press Conference and the 2025 National Festival of Talents. Good evening, everyone.
That was Regional Director Tolentino G. Aquino of DepEd Region 1.